Good morning. Sherry here. I have my coffee press. I have it sitting here on the stove. I wanted to show you how my coffee press works. It's really simple. There's not much to it. I've got it sitting here started to heat the water up. And when it gets to where it's just, you heat it up not quite to a boil, but you heat it up to where it's just right up to a boil. And then after that you would add your coffee. And you would put the lid on and let it brew first, and then, well, first you would shut your burner off once you get it heated up to where you need it. Now, I have my coffee right here in this scoop. Here is the lid to this coffee press right here, and this is it. And then, of course, the coffee press itself. Now, and I have a cup, so I'm going to show you that I'm going to drink it on camera, okay? Or at least take a drink of it on camera. And like I said, this is almost to a boil. It's not quite there yet, but it's close. It's almost there. And so when it gets just a little bit more, we will put the coffee in and wait just a little bit, and then we will put the coffee press in. Because you got to let it brew some. This is a stainless steel coffee press. The outer part of it is, and the stainless steel handles. Very nice. I have made coffee in this. I've put water in for oatmeal. You know, you can use it for hot chocolate. You can use it for tea if you don't like hot chocolate or coffee. You can use it for whatever. You can even heat up water for noodles if you're out camping. And you know, you don't have to use the coffee press part of it for that. So it's good. It would be good for just about anything you want like that to use it for. Of course, most people when they're out camping have a little cook set that they can carry with them that, you know, you can do all their cooking in. But if you're just heating up, like I said, some water for noodles or whatever, then you wouldn't need to use your cook set. Okay, I'm going to shut it off. Now, here's my coffee. I'm going to put my coffee in there. Now I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to let that brew just a little bit, okay? And after it's brewed for just a little bit, then I'm going to put the coffee press in, and of course the ground coffee will go to the bottom, and the liquid coffee will come up to the top. So when it's done here in just a little bit, we will put the press in, and then not long after that, we can try it, okay? Like I said, I have a cup here to try it with. And you want to use, you can wash this, of course, if you're out camping, you're not going to be using a dishwasher. You can wash it in a dishwasher. But the preferred method is to wash it by hand. And if you're not cooking any soup in it, or I say soup, if you're not cooking, say anything but just putting just water in, if you're not pouring anything, or, you know, other than water or coffee or something like that, then you probably could just get by with rinsing it out. Otherwise, if you put anything else in there, you know, as far as if you were to put some water in here, then put your noodles in and then pour them into a bowl or whatever, you'd want to probably clean it out, maybe. But it's not hard to keep clean. Like I say, it is stainless. It's got stainless steel handles. It's compact. It does not have a carry bag with it. There's no carry bag. And so let's check and see if this is ready yet. I think it probably is. So we will take this and take the coffee press, and we will push down the grounds, or the grounds, and get to our coffee. Now I'm going to put the lid on this so that I can get that straightened up just a little bit, so that I can pour the coffee into the cup, okay? We're going to try this and see what it tastes like, see if it tastes like anything. Okay, we're going to set it back here on the stove. Now, I've made my coffee, and we're going to try it and see what it tastes like. Now, it's just black coffee. There's nothing in it. I didn't put any cream or anything in it, so we're going to try it and see if it tastes all right. Tastes pretty good to me. So I actually made coffee here on camera, took a drink of it for you, and showed you how to use this coffee press. Now, I will put a link in the description. Hopefully, it's been a little while since we bought this, Hopefully they still make this coffee press. I'm hoping anyway that they haven't discontinued it. I think they still do. But anyway, it's a very simple little coffee press. Very nice. Like I said, there's no carry bag or anything with it. But anyway, I thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, please.